Mokgatlo wa Democratic Alliance o gana go lahla kholofelo maitekong a gore tona ya maphodisa Bheki Cele a role modiro. Tiragalong ya moragorago mokgatlo wa kganetso o gwantetse kantorong ya tona ya maphodisa ka Pretoria go tiisetsa dinyakwa tsa bona.
Democrats, we've heard today about the 364 violent robberies, about the 67 of our fellow citizens who are murdered every single day. We've heard about our women and children who are raped every single day. And it wouldn't have happened if we had a police minister who knew how to fight crime.
When I think of Minister Bheki Cele, I think about the 3 people that will be murdered in this hour, the 3 people that are going to be murdered in the next hour. And I think about the 71 people that were killed yesterday, the 71 people that will be killed today, and the 71 people that will be killed tomorrow, again, under his watch.